Hi everyone, Christine McKee here from the Emerging Technology team, and I'm going to walk you through the process of how we can schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting for our students. Our first step is going to be creating the Join Teams meeting link in Outlook. Our second step will be copying that link and posting it for our students in Google Classroom. So I've gone ahead and logged into my Outlook account online or Outlook in Office 365, and I'm simply going to open my calendar. So I'm going to come to the far left panel, and right down here in the bottom taskbar, I'm going to click on the calendar icon. Once my calendar loads, I'm going to click New Event in the top left corner. Now I can start filling out the details for my Microsoft Teams meeting with my class. I'm going to start by adding a specific title for my class meeting. Next, under Invite Attendees, I'm going to go ahead and invite myself. Once I've filled out those two fields, I'm going to go ahead and select the date and time for this particular meeting. Once I've filled in this information, I'm going to come down here to where it says Teams Meeting. This is one of the most important steps. I can't emphasize this enough. You're going to want to toggle this switch on just by clicking on it. All right, now don't panic. You're not going to see the Join Teams Meeting link yet. What you need to do next is you need to click Send. This will add the class meeting to your calendar. So we'll give that a moment to create the event. There it is on my calendar. I'm going to double click to open the class meeting event. And there is that Join Microsoft Teams meeting link. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can copy this link and post it in your Google Classroom for your students to join the Microsoft Teams meeting.